understanding Dockerfile and how to create one. In this video, we will explore what a Dockerfile is and guide you through the steps to create your own Dockerfile. Dockerfiles are essential for automating the process of building Docker images. A Dockerfile is a text document that contains all the commands to assemble an image. It serves as a blueprint for creating Docker images, defining the environment and the software that will be included in the container. Here are the key components of a Dockerfile. From specifies the base image to use. Run executes commands in the container during the image build. Copy copies files from the host to the container. CMD defines the default command to run when the container starts. Creating a Dockerfile involves a few simple steps. Open a text editor and create a new file named Dockerfile. Add the necessary instructions to define your image. After writing your Dockerfile, use the command docker build t_image_name to build your Docker image. This command will read your Dockerfile and create an image based on its specifications. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding and creating your own Dockerfile.